In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check an availability zone in AWS. Understanding how to find and analyze availability zones is a key aspect of maintaining a robust and efficient cloud environment. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in AWS and hit Enter. This will take you to the main Amazon Web Services page. Once you're there, go ahead and look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed further. After successfully signing in, you're now inside the AWS Management Console. From here, we want to navigate to the Amazon EC2 console. You can do this by typing EC2 into the search bar, which will appear on the top navigation bar, or you can find it listed under Services. Go ahead and click on the EC2 console link. With the EC2 console open, you'll immediately notice at the top right part of the screen a region selector. This is the part where you can choose which geographical region you want to focus on. Every AWS account is global, and you can pick any region where AWS operates electricity. For this example, let's choose a region that suits your operational needs or your customer base requirements. Once you have selected the appropriate region, direct your attention to the navigation pane found on the left side of your screen. Scroll to find and click on the link that says EC2 Dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your central hub for everything related to your instances and resource management on EC2. As we're focusing on availability zones, look closely at the Service Health section within the EC2 dashboard. You'll see this prominently listed, providing real-time updates on the statuses of services in your selected region. In this section, find the heading that reads Availability Zone Status. Under this heading, you'll see a detailed list displaying all the availability zones available within the region you selected earlier. This is where you can check which zones are operational and where there might be issues affecting their performance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently check availability zones within AWS. Regularly monitoring these zones ensures that you're able to make well-informed decisions, optimizing your AWS resources for reliability and performance. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of AWS availability zones. Happy cloud computing, and until next time.